Hey everyone, welcome to Pocket Video Coach. My name is Josh, and today we're going to talk about how to write a script for your social media marketing videos. Now, here's the deal. There are two ways people approach the way they communicate on camera: with a script and without. You can do a video without using a script, but if you're like me, you can tend to be too much of a perfectionist and stumble over your words or say the same phrase literally 30 different ways until you like the sound of it. I'm not kidding. So unless you're really good at getting all of your thoughts out at once without any prompts, you might actually do a more effective job using a script. Believe it or not, I'm using a script right now, coupled with a teleprompter. I want to cover two really quick things with you. First, how to write, and then how to deliver. First, how to write. If you are making this kind of video where you yourself will be talking straight to your audience, straight to the camera, feel free to use words like you and address your audience directly. It will create a personal connection between you and them. You use you as much as you want. See what I did there? Yeah, I see you watching this video. Looking good today. Anyway, when you are writing your script, think about how you will be talking to your audience. You aren't writing a novel with paragraphs or complete sentences. No, you are writing dialogue. You are writing like you are talking to any other person. You are writing a one-sided conversation. If you were to write a boring informational thing, then you're gonna lose your audience. You put emotion into your words and give them power with your personality. The goal is to make it sound like you aren't even reading off of a script at all. Write how you talk. Think about the ways in which you deliver your day-to-day thoughts to anyone who might be standing next to you. This makes your communication much more authentic, and it prevents your script from sounding like a robot wrote it. Now let's touch on delivery, and then I'm gonna wrap this up. It can be difficult at first to deliver authentic emotion when reading off of a teleprompter, because you might be so focused on getting the words right. Don't be afraid to change the words of your script on the fly if it makes your delivery smoother. Also, please don't do this next thing I'm about to say. It's really important. Do not, for any reason whatsoever, deliver your lines like you are reading from a newspaper, book, or speech you wrote in college, because your monotone voice will give away the fact that you are actually reading off a script. Can you tell that I'm reading off a script right now? Well, okay, you get the picture. Read with emotion. Read in a natural conversational tone so that you can seriously connect with your audience. Capitalize words to remind yourself that they need emphasis. No one is going to read your script but you, so you can have as many typos as you want. You have complete control over what you say, so don't be afraid to feel comfortable in front of the camera. And always, practice makes perfect. Boom, there you go. A short intro on how to write and deliver a script on camera. Let's see what you can do. Make a short video with a script for your clients and post it on your socials. You can post a link in the comments when you're done, and I can take a look at it if you want. A really helpful teleprompter tool that I use is called Big View. Download it and try it out. It allows you to record yourself and read a teleprompter at the same time, all on your smartphone. The ultimate video making tool. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next episode of Pocket Video Coach. Dream on.